I retained Michael Gruhin for my attorney. I hurt myself at work. I fell from a bench and broke my leg, and I don't believe the doctor that I was sent to the first time handled the case properly. But I talked to Michael and got another doctor, and he took care of me. And when I was working for my employer as a telemarketer, when I could go in there with crutches and my leg in a cast. And when I got a day off, and I was supposed to go to a doctor on the following Monday, and my employer said he wanted me to drop my attorney because, in his words, attorneys are nothing but bottom dwellers, and I had the worst one of all. Which meant to me, since I was pretty sure he never went fishing, your most healthiest fish are on the bottom, and I had the best attorney in town. And I was glad that he told me that. I talked to my family about dropping him, and they said absolutely not. And I talked to my pastor, and he suggested I keep my attorney regardless of what my employer would do. But when I talked to my employer and I told him I was going to keep Michael, he then laid me off until I was able to get some satisfaction through Michael with workman's comp. And that was the other thing. They didn't want me to file with workman's comp. They wanted to handle all the expenses themselves. But after what they did with me, I'm pretty sure that they would have dropped me before I had been completely healed. And here it is, like 4 or 5 years later, and I'm still getting results through Michael. But I couldn't get that with the company I was working with. I failed to mention their name because I don't want to be sued. But I believe that it was the best choice I made was to stay with Michael at Gruhin & Gruhin.